Hi, in the last video I have introduced the taiji faucet so that you can populate some currency to your newly created wallet in the testnet. In this video I'm going to walk through the transactions. Here is 3 wallets we have created on this Android device. If you go to this section, this is all the transactions for our wallets. If you want to start a new transaction, you can click this menu. You have a request and send. Request means I pick up one of my wallet and ask somebody else to send currency to me when you are selling something. If you click here, you can see I can request, let's say, 10 taiji, and for somebody to scan this QR code, you can send the currency 10 taiji to this wallet, because this QR code mapped to this one. So this is one of the features, you can request somebody to send you currency by scanning this QR code